How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. Quick little update. I was thinking about doing a little giveaway for you guys, so that's why I decided to do a little video doing an update. Headlights. I'm on 5,000 subscribers. 1,000 more. When I get to 6,000, I'm gonna do a giveaway on the headlights. And if you don't know, you just brand new on this channel, I'm doing a giveaway on a Honda Accord from 98 to 2002. Honda Accord. I'm doing a giveaway on headlights. They're gonna be retrofit headlights with projectors, LEDs, you name it. So that episode is gonna be right here for all new subscribers. What you need to do, go check that episode and then go to my Facebook page, comment and post a picture of your Accord, because like I said before, sometimes I do episodes where I have another vehicles involved, like my Subaru, like the RAV4, my Honda Accord 09 that I used to have, many videos. But if you are a Honda Accord from 98 to 2002 owner, check that episode and then you can get in for the giveaway. I'm not gonna ship international for those headlights, it's just gonna be US. We'll see, but go check that episode. I'm thinking about doing a little giveaway for here for US. It's gonna be two giveaways, one for my Spanish channel, but I'm gonna post that later, and one for this channel. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what I have in here. All these products is companies that have been helping me out, getting these products to me so I can do a little reviews. You guys saw all this except this one, but that one is coming really soon. All of you guys have seen these episodes, hopefully you helping the channel. If you need them, you can go over there in the description of the videos and you're gonna see all these products. Telling you the truth, they work really good, but I'm gonna do a giveaway because I have too many. This is a tire inflator. I have it in the car, so this one is not going anywhere. Tag Life, amazing product. Tag Life battery jumper, amazing. I keep this one on the car, but recently I get this one. This one is more powerful than that one, but I'm gonna use both in the meantime to see which one is better. That one is amazing. So another product that I use a lot is my ANCEL OBD2 scanner and battery tester. This is a battery tester. It's big and it works really good. Sometimes I use it when I want to get more information, but when I do a little quick investigation on the batteries, I use this one. This jump starter, I'm not using it that much because it's really small. When your battery is completely drained, it's not gonna help you. This OBD2 works amazing. This is really good too. So I don't know if I want to keep this one or that one, but on this one is pricey. I'm gonna do a giveaway on this one for you guys. So this is a battery tester. You will need to be subscribed in my channel, you need to share my episodes, and you need to like my Facebook page. So I'm gonna do a giveaway on this one. It's gonna be US only, but I'm gonna do a giveaway for my English channel for this one. And for my Spanish channel, I'm gonna do some else. I need to pick which one I'm gonna do. So if you wanna get this one, battery tester, which is really good, and it's kinda, I think it's like almost 100 bucks on it. It's not cheap, but it's really good. I'm gonna give it away because I prefer to have this one that check the battery, and this one, this OBD2 checks the battery too. So I know I'm gonna have more products. So that's a little update for you guys. I'm gonna keep that away probably when I hit 10,000. That's gonna be my 10,000. But I'm letting you know right now, so you know you can help out the channel, help the channel grow, and maybe I'm gonna do more giveaways. So there you have it, guys. Have any questions, please comment down below, and I'm gonna be happy to help. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like my Facebook page, and see you on the next one. Peace.